Hey Fix369, take a screenshot. Wanna change Siri's name something unique and personal just like me on any of your iPhone with the latest iOS 18? It's super simple. Let's walk through the process together. First, open up Settings on your iPhone, go to Accessibility and scroll down, tap Vocal Shortcut, tap Continue, and now from the list, go for Siri. Type the customized name you want for Siri. Follow the setup by saying the new name 3 times to train Siri to recognize it. And that's it. Now whenever you call Siri by the name you said, it will respond to your voice. Hey Fix369, take a screenshot. I hope this helps you personalize Siri on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your custom voice assistant.